Let's get this cold start. It's a 2020 Scatpack. Gonna be on our way to the muffler shop, whatever y'all want to call it. Get this Mid Muffler Delete. Muffler and truck delete, man, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna do it for us, man. We're gonna be right back as soon as they done. Getting us all taken care of. Get the start after the mid. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Sound just put a smile on my face. You see it, Scatpack wide body.
Hey bro, what's your name, bro? So Justin. Justin? Yup.
You got any Instagram or anything you want to shout out?
NorCal Muffler.
NorCal Mufflers? Alright. Yep. Alright, Pop's gonna drive it. You hear it?
Oh my God, bro.
Y'all who got Dodges, y'all know about that seatbelt. Let's stop.
Oh, I had to give them what they need. You feel me? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Difference though, for real, like you can feel it as soon as you hit the gas. That motherfucker screaming, bro. God damn, bro. I never in my life ain't heard no shit like that.
Jeez. Clowning for real.
God damn, watch how I clown if I make this light right here. Watch this. Let me show you niggas, young niggas, how to do it. Subscribe on the channel though, man. We need y'all to click subscribe on the channel, man. Give us a thumbs up or whatever, man. Make a comment in the comment section too, man. Yep. What y'all think?
You heard the man.
What y'all think about the getting the muffler delete, man? We showing y'all right now, man. Shit go crazy, man. You feel me? A brand new 2020, man. You feel me?
Put a little fun in the car.
Shit go crazy, boy. Pete in that thing. Oh, Pete in that thing, man. You see? He had to figure out who it was. That's why, you feel me?
You seen who it was?
He cool as fuck too. Cool ass OG. Bruh, I used to slide old school, so I'm new to this, bro. I ain't shit. I ain't used to high performance, man. Right, old school. But this shit here,
something else.
This shit here, my God. Neff said it right when the first day he said it right. That barking, boy. That barking thing, boy. Woo. Let me see. Let me hear it one more time. Hear that shit one more time. Go get the back. Go get it around that side. Go get it around that side.
Crazy.